Hi kids, come back to our online classes again. Now you are going to enter into the 10th standard class, okay? At first, we are going to enter into the geography. Lesson 1. About India only you are going to learn in this session. Not only in this session, fully you are going to, in geography fully you are going to learn about India and Tamil Nadu, okay? First, we will move on to the where the India is located, that you should know at first. Okay, India, it located in the world level, if you are saying means it located in the northern hemisphere. Actually, you know this one is the equator, isn't it? This one is the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, this one is the Tropic of Capricorn. Actually, this equator divides the world into, that means the earth into two equal parts. In that one, north side we are saying as a northern hemisphere and southern one we are saying as a southern hemisphere. This one is the northern hemisphere that in which India lies. Okay, India lies in the northern hemisphere. And in the continent wise, if we are saying means we are in the Asian continent. In the Asian continent, it lies in the south side. This one is the Asian continent. Okay, in the Asian continent, it lies in the southern side. This one is the India. Okay, it lies in the southern side. Okay, now we will move on to the what are the things, latitudes and longitudes of the India, and from east to west the distance, and the north to south the distance, everything we will learn now. Okay, already I told that India lies in the northern hemisphere, but it lies in the northeastern hemisphere. Okay, in the northeastern side only it's in the hemisphere. So in the northeastern hemisphere, what is the latitude and longitude, in which latitude and in which longitude it located, that we will see first. Okay, at first in the 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, up to that latitude it lies in the northern hemisphere. And in the longitude wise, if you are saying means, that means in the eastern side 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east, up to that longitude it is extended in the hemisphere. Okay, now we will see the what is the length of the from the north to south of the India. From Indrakol, that is Indrakol in the Jammu and Kashmir, from there to Kanyakumari, it is otherwise known as the Cape Comorin. That is only the southern part of India, in the landmass southern tip of India also we may say that one, Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari. From Indrakol to Kanyakumari, the length from the north to south is 3,214 kilometer, and from east to west the length is 2,933 kilometer. Okay, this is the length and breadth of the, that means from the north to south 3,214 kilometer, and from west to east the kilometer is 2,933 kilometer. Okay, now we will move on to the what the line it crosses into the India. That means already you know that the imaginary lines only we are saying as that some lines it crossing to the into our landmass, isn't it? The equator, it divides the earth into the two parts, what we are saying, like the same like that the Tropic of Cancer, it divides the India into the two halves as the North India and the South India. Tropic of Cancer, it lies east to west. Okay, that line it divides the India into the two halves. How it divides there? North India and South India. Okay, the above one is we are saying as a North India, and the below one we are saying as a South India. And also India, the southernmost point I said as in the landmass, in the Indian landmass, the southernmost point I said as a Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari I said, isn't it? But overall India, if we are taking means, because Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands, both the islands, it belongs to India alone. Okay, in that point of view, if you are saying means the Indra point is the last point of India. The Indra point, which is in the Andaman Nicobar Islands, it is the last point of India. The Indra point, it is otherwise called as the Pygmalion point. Otherwise it is called as a Pygmalion point. Okay, India, we are saying that India is a subcontinent. Why we are saying it's a subcontinent? Actually, continent means it will be having the so many different types of the races, different languages, different climate, and different physical features. Everything the India, it contains into inside. Okay, that means in India we are having the plateaus, we are having coastal plains, we are having, and also desert we are having, mountain ranges we are having, everything we are having in India. The forest also, different types of forests we are having, different type of the climate it experience from in the south as well as in the north. So India is called as the subcontinent due to the races also, we may say. That means the different types of the religion we are following, different languages we are speaking in India. So only India is known as the subcontinent. Okay, now you are going to learn about Indian Standard Time. Actually, two types of times are there: Greenwich Meridian Time and the Indian Standard. Greenwich Meridian Time, it is followed in the world level, but that is calculated from the prime meridian. Okay, but in India we are following the Indian Standard Time. How we are calculating that Indian Standard Time only you are going to see now. You know that Earth, it rotates in the 360 degree in its axis, isn't it? In 24 hours, how much degree it is rotating the 360 degree? It rotates on its axis in 24 hours. Gujarat, from the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this one is the Gujarat. From the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the longitudinal difference is 30 degree. What is that one? The longitudinal, what is the longitudinal degree? 30 degree is the longitudinal degree. Okay. Difference of 1 degree longitude will make a difference of 4 minutes. Okay, if the difference is 1 degree in this one, means how many minutes it will make there? 4 minutes difference it will make. But how much we are having there? 30 degree longitudinal difference between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. That means the time it varies from the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, it is in the east side, isn't it? So the sun rises about 2 hours earlier than the Gujarat. Okay, 2 hours earlier the sun rises in the Arunachal Pradesh when we are comparing to the Gujarat. So it will be very difficult to us to calculate the, what is that one, timing. So what they did, they decided to follow the common time in India. For that common time only, what we did, actually the difference, how much difference it came, you know, in the Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh, it came about nearly 2 hours. Nearly 2 hours. That means 1 hour 57 minutes and 12 seconds it came, the difference between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. So what we did, we decided to follow the same timing from in India, inside the India. For that only we, that means that to avoid the, we may say as a confusion. Okay, to avoid the confusion only, we started to follow the Indian Standard Time. From which place we are calculating that Indian Standard Time means in the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. Okay, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, the Indian central meridian it passes. From there alone we are calculating the Indian Standard Time. This one is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time in 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes. The IST means Indian Standard Time. In the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time, which is shortly known as the GMT. Okay, children. Thank you.